you. Don't you fall over. God. Oh, Jesus. This stuff out today. Oh, Struth, don't you dig off the edge. I'll give it a look anyway. Morning, everyone. Welcome. This is the first ride for the year, 2024. Decided to do a small loop ride to East Gresford. I'm going to go and check out this expansion bridge. What have I done there? Out at East Gresford. I'm going to shoot out to Lostock Dam. I'm going to do a bit of a loop road up the Patterson and come back down into Gresford. Probably stop there for a bit of lunch. Yeah, so this year I've decided to do a few things a bit different. Last year I was, and the year before, quite a few years, been running the mobile phone. The mobile phone's gone. Decided to get a Garmin xt2, and this is the first ride with it. I've also changed my helmet mount. I've gone to a chin mount now instead of the one on the top. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, this isn't a review of any sort. I'm just going to have a talk a little bit about the Garmin. You know, way back in 2003, when I first bought my BMW, I bought a 1150 GSA. In 2003 I picked it up. Anyway, I had an old TomTom back in the day with this crazy mount and this waterproof cover. Yeah, it worked well, kept the unit dry, but it was a hopeless unit. You had to take your gloves off, had to pull up somewhere where it wasn't raining, you know, and change it or do whatever you had to do to put it back in the cover. But these Zoomos, what a game changer. What they've done in 20 years, actually it's 20 years, boy. What a change. These things are bloody brilliant. You know, so bright, use your gloves on them, they're waterproof, dustproof. Apparently, I've seen guys drop them online. I don't think I'd like to drop mine online. Around 7 hours battery life if you lose your power supply to the bike. If you go walking the thing around, it'll stay on for about 7 hours. That Tread app, that is got to be the easiest app I've ever used to navigate through. You know, I'm no tech savvy sort of a guy at all. I'm a person like myself. What an easy app, it's so basic. Look, I got on the Garmin site, checked it out, and they've got a 4-minute 50-second video the Garmin had actually done, the actual Garmin site themselves. Geez, they did such a good job of showing you how to use a Tread app. There we go, we've got a little bit of rain. Wasn't expecting that. Nice change from yesterday. It was so hot. Apparently it was the muggiest day 15 years in Sydney, and here in Port Stephens we got the brunt of that as well. It was stinking hot. That's a nice change today. Right, now Lostock. We're going to find this suspension bridge. It's not far from here. I didn't actually plot it into the course. I think it is straight ahead. I'll go down here and have a squeeze. There it is. Apparently, you used to be able to go through there. It was shallow enough, but looks like it hasn't been like that for a while. Right, just go across. I'll fly the drone around a bit. See where he came from. Maybe you can come through here. Well, how deep that is. I'll give it a look anyway. Just head down and grab some lunch or something over at Gresford now. East Gresford. Might go to the Booty Hotel for something to eat. Have a sit down. It's getting warm out here. Oh, yeah, don't you fall over. God, fuck. Oh, Jesus. Ah. Couldn't have been the other way, could it? That's truth. That's the only thing with these bikes, are a bit heavy. Oh, what a shit day. Oh my God. Yeah, well, I'm glad I'm testing all this stuff out today. Oh, Struth, don't you dare go off the edge. Fuck. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not even going fast. Oh, I tell you. Oh, I think it's just one of those days, just having a bad one. Yeah, just grabbed a bit more of the front brake, then pulled me up. Bloody bats are still here. Oh, man. Look at it. Oh. Yeah, just coming into East Gresford again. This, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to grab a bite to eat at the pub. Love it. There you go, just leaving the Beatty. Had a great bit of lunch there, just grabbed a burger from next door. Beatty Hotel owns the takeaway next door, so they bought over just a standard old burger for $10. It was great, plain burger. Highly recommend it. Old Beatty Hotel over at East Gresford. Well, look at it, if you see a tower, you're going to get a good view, aren't you? So we've got the Telstra's tower up here. Just following the nose and I found the track to it. It's just here. I'm going to have good service up here. I'll just park down here in the shade and pop the drone up and have a bit of a look. Righto, she's just about home. There we go, I'll catch it. Righto guys, yeah, I'm only half hour from home, so I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for sticking around with me today. I try and make it a bit interesting. I try not to talk too much crap. Look, if you like what you see, please subscribe. It does cost you nothing. I am going to try and get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so thanks again. I hope you enjoyed. As I say, stay upright.